Hello everyone. Oh, hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to empty your recycling bin on your computer. The whole point of the recycling bin is to get rid of your files. That is totally just my made-up definition of what the recycling bin is. If there is an actual definition, please feel free to correct me in the comments. I'm not going to read them. Anyway, I'm going to right-click on the recycling bin. It says recycling bin. If your recycling bin says anything else other than recycling bin, go ahead and close this video. Anyway, you're going to right-click on recycling bin. You're going to see a bunch of options here. I could go through this and tell you exactly where you got to go to empty your recycling bin, but I want to extend this video out as long as I can. So we're going to start off with something simple. We're going to get us a nice brush, as you can... Oh, ew, no. Get us a nice brush stroke. See, this is a brush stroke. Actually, it might be called something else, but who cares? So this is your recycling bin. There we go, close enough. Recycling bin, there you go. Doctor signature. This is you. You are trying to get rid of your files. You get one little hair because you're special. Look at you. Very happy. Put a sun in the corner. I know it's not yellow, but whatever. Anyway, so you're trying to get your files into the recycling bin on your desktop. Now, in order to do that, you got to go back to your desktop right here. Also, by the way, this video is sponsored by I'm just kidding. So you'll right click on your recycling bin. You press empty recycling bin, and now it says delete multiple items, which means you're getting rid of those items. There's a little caution symbol, don't worry about that. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these 6 items? Question mark. Yes and no. These 2 options you can click on, as well as this X. If you press the X, we start all over again. In this video, I'm going to show you how to empty a recycling bin. But we're not doing that, so we're right-clicking the recycling bin. You click on the empty recycling bin, or whatever that means. Oh, please ignore the caution symbol. That's not important. And you want to delete these items, so you would hover over the yes symbol. But if you didn't want to get rid of it, you would hover over the no. But in this case, we're going to do yes, because we want to get rid of these files. But let's say you don't want to get rid of these files, and we click into this, and it will come up with this. Whenever you open the recycling bin, if you didn't want to get rid of those files, there's a bunch of options you can do. And I mean a bunch of options as in just restore all of them and they go back to exactly where you deleted them from in the first place. If you recycle them, you're not going to have access to those files anymore. But as you can see, I have a bunch of recordings of me talking to myself because I'm trying to figure out what's a good way to have my voice in a way that is not too loud, but I also don't have to freaking scream at my microphone. Anyway, so I want to get rid of these because I never want to think of this moment ever again in my life. So you can either press empty recycling bin here after opening your recycling bin, or you can right click on your recycling bin and click on empty. Sorry, I got a notification on my phone. That was very unprofessional of me. So you will click on empty recycling. Oh, sorry, I didn't tell you how to do this part. You're going to right click on recycling bin. You're going to go up to empty recycling bin. And then you're going to go up to this prompt. As we know from before, we ignore this, we read everything, and then we press on this yes. And there we go. Open up recycling bin. You have no more files in the recycling bin. So now you can close out of this and you can continue on with your day, clicking and dragging on your desktop screen, making little squares. Anyway, I hope this video is really helpful for you, and I probably will never show this to anyone ever in my life. So this was all just me listening to myself talk, just like those other recordings. Except now, after I'm done recording this video, I'm gonna also go to a recycling bin and I'm gonna delete this forever. It's gonna be gone. It's never gonna be recoverable. That's gonna be it. That's all we're gonna be doing today. Just me and myself listening to myself. And yeah, thank you for watching. Oh, and be sure in the next video, I'll show you how to stop your OBS recordings, which is a really difficult thing to do if you ever try to do it yourself. Anyway, thank you for watching. Okay, how the fuck do I turn this off?